And this, guys, is 900 rands. Like, this is 900 rands. Like, are you dumb? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Look at this. Dingelona, guys. Hello guys, Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Igama lam ndung Azana Jezile. I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It is a good time here, I promise. Also, please do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. Lastly, please do not skip them ads. So yeah guys, today I'm doing a very different video. I am so excited. I have never done a hair review on my channel, and that is what I'm doing today. Honestly, I've never bought hair from an online platform whatsoever, but I thought, let me do something different. Let me buy hair with my own coin and do a review. Yeah, I was in the market for a new bob. Normally I buy my hair from local salons because I have the insurance of taking the hair back should the quality not be good. But this time around, I was like, I mean, I've seen a lot of reviews online with these online platforms like Uwins Hair and all these hair brands. So I thought, let me take a chance and buy hair from Uwins and see what the quality is looking like. So I placed my order on the 15th of March and my order arrived on the 22nd of March. Literally, it took 7 days for my order to arrive at Postnet and it was ready for collection. Like, I am mind blown by how fast the delivery process was. Honestly, I was expecting to wait for like a month until I would receive the hair, and it only took 7 days. I was so shocked when I went to collect. I thought I was going to pay customs, you know. I was prepared to pay a little bit of customs, but honestly I didn't pay anything. They literally asked me to sign, show my ID, and they just gave me my parcel, and it was easy as that. I really loved the service. Everything was super fast, and yeah, I didn't have any hassles. So yeah, let's get right to unboxing the hair. So okay guys, Nancy parcel that I got from Postnet. Obviously ndivulile because I couldn't wait. I was curious, okay, but we'll unbox it again. This is the packaging. How beautiful is this packaging, guys? This is what it looks like on the inside. So first things first, it is the actual hair, and I also got a wig cap. I don't wear wig caps, but yeah, I got a wig cap. They also gave me this thingy majiggy. I'm so impressed, guys. Honestly, I'm impressed with the packaging. I'm impressed with the hair stocking that they give you in this little thingy majiggy. Inside, they give you this elastic band. I think this is for adjusting your wig accordingly. If you want more room, I think you can just use this to adjust it. I'm not sure. You get hairpins. You also get, how do I show you guys this? You also get these things, these hair clips, just to keep your hair away from your face, like that. You can use this if you're doing like your makeup and stuff. So yeah, are you in the sun? You are doing the things, you are doing the damn things. They also give you tweezers for like if you want to pluck the hair or want to customize the hair even further. They literally give you all the tools that you need, guys. This is an edge control brush or an edge brush. My edge is about to be on fleek. So yeah, that is what is in this little packet. Another thing that I'm impressed by, it is this baby right here. Guys, this is like a storage for your wig, so you can just throw on your wig on here and keep it here. So this is basically instructions on how to take care of the hair. This is giving luxury. I wanted a black super sleek bob. This bob is very full, like it's super full. So I wanted something that was going to be nice and straight, black and sleek. And here she is. She looks so beautiful. It is so smooth and so soft. And I got a closure wig because Azana, I don't know if it's me, I am just not within the lace frontal wigs. People be like, lace wear. I'm looking at your lace like I can see your lace, you know. I feel like it's a lot of work, and I don't know if I can commit to gluing down my hair every morning. So this is definitely the look I was going for. It's definitely not as full as the last bob that I had on. Guys, look at this. Let me cut off the lace, and yeah, I'll show you guys what the hair looks like. I won't style it or anything. I just wanted to show you guys sorry, an honest review straight out of the packaging, like onto my head, literally. Uwins' hair was in their bag when they made his hair, and this, guys, is 900 rands. Like, this is 900 rands. Like, are you dumb? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Look at this. I'm in love. That's okay, guys. Inwele zaka Uwins' hair. I literally just cut off the lace, and this is the final look. I did not style their hair. I didn't do anything to their hair. I am honestly obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And to think I only paid 900 and something rands for this hair, I cannot believe it. And I'm very excited I made this purchase. If you're in the market for new hair, I would highly advise, or highly recommend, that you get this hair from Uwins. I will leave all the links down in the description box. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this hair with my own money because I was in the market for a new hair. I was getting tired of my old wigs. I just wanted something new, something different, something unusual. So yeah, I really love how this hair looks. Definitely what I had imagined. Uwins' hair exceeded my expectations. The delivery, 7 days, and my hair was here. I could not believe that. The packaging, luxury, baby. It's giving luxury, it's giving money, it's giving you know, it's giving what it needs to give, basically. And the hair is absolutely amazing. So excited. I'm so happy I made this purchase. Obviously this is a first impressions video. So yeah, Dimgelona, guys. This winter, when you guys see me rocking my hair, just know it is from Uwins. That is pretty much it, you guys, for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Please comment down below, what are your thoughts? Have you bought hair from these hair companies or from Uwins? How was your experience? Let's share it down in the comment section. Please like, please subscribe, please share, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my next uploads. I've got exciting content coming up. I've placed a Shein haul. Things are happening, so please do not forget to turn on that post notification, because you don't want to miss out, you know. You don't want to play yourself like that. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye bye.